Hard boiling an egg isn't difficult in theory. Just boil some water, add your eggs, let them boil, and take them out. So, why are hard-boiled eggs often so overdone that the yolks are chalky, or so underdone that the whites are almost runny? Learn how to make perfect hard-boiled eggs every time with this easy step-by-step video and recipe. Place eggs in a pot. Cover with cold water until the eggs are covered by about 1 inch of water. Bring to a boil, uncovered. Once boiling, take off the heat. Cover and let it cook for 4 to 16 minutes, depending on preference. 4 to 6 minutes for soft-boiled, 8 to 10 minutes for medium-boiled, 12 to 16 minutes for hard-boiled. Once eggs reach desired cook time, immediately remove the eggs from pot and place in the ice bath. Allow eggs to cool for 10 to 15 minutes. To peel, lightly tap the eggs on a flat surface. Then gently roll back and forth. Pull away the loosened shell and peel any remaining pieces. Serve as is, or incorporate into your favorite recipe that requires hard-boiled eggs.